Hello everyone, here we will solve the GATE 2024 Life Science question paper, particularly from the Botany section. Now let's solve the question. This is the question number 55. It states, in wild type Abiropsis thaliana, the four types of floral organs, sepal, petal, stamen, carpels, are arranged in concentric holes from outside to inside with reference to ABC model of floral organ patterning, match the homeotic mutants with represent the respective arrangements of organs of these holes given in group 2. So here group 1 represents the homeotic gene class, and the group 2 represents their mutation result. So we need to match it correctly. So first of all, let's try to understand the ABC model. If we see the ABC model of flowering, we will see there are three classes of gene, that is A class, B class, and C class. So A class of genes encodes the apetala 1 and apetala 2, and which actually specifies the organ identity of first and second hole, that is definitely the sepal and petal. Now if you see the B class, it actually encodes the apetala 3, that is AP3, and P1 pistillata, and this actually signifies or specifies the organ identity of the second and third hole, that is petal and stamen. And C class of gene encodes the AG or agamas, that actually specifies the organ identity of third and fourth hole, that is stamen and carpel. So if we see what happened in wild type and mutation of this homeotic class of genes in a tabulated form, let's see hole 1, hole 2, hole 3, and hole 4, and this is wild type. In case of wild type, hole 1 is represented by the sepal or first hole, second hole is represented by petal, third hole is represented by stamen, and the fourth hole is represented by carpel. Now the mutation in of this homeotic class of genes, that is A mutant, will result in the formation of carpel in place of sepal. So in hole 1 there is a formation of carpel instead of sepal, and there is a formation of stamen in place of petal, and hole 3 and hole 4 will be as usual. So in hole 3 there is a stamen, and in hole 4 there is a carpel. So the pattern become carpel, stamen, stamen, carpel. So if we see according to this, the A mutant, A class of mutant will matches with carpel, stamen, stamen, carpel. So A class of mutant will matches with C. So P is matches with 3. Now if we see the B mutant, B mutant will or loss of functions on B class of genes will result in the formation of sepal in the first hole. There is a formation of sepal in place of petal, and in the third hole there is a in place of stamen there is a formation of carpel, and in the fourth hole as usual the carpel. So the pattern become sepal, sepal, carpel. So according to this, if we see sepal, carpel. So B class of mutants is matches with 1. So Q is matches with 1. And if we see the C mutant, C mutant will result in the formation. So sepal in the first hole, sepal as usual, petal. On the third hole, there is a formation of petal instead of carpel, instead of stamen, and in the fourth hole, there is a formation of sepal instead of carpel. So the pattern become sepal, petal, petal, and sepal. So according to this, if we see, this will matches with sepal, petal, petal, sepal. So definitely C class of mutant will matches with 2. So R will matches with 2. So according to this, we'll see that P4. So this one is wrong. P3, Q1, R2. So this one is correct. Let's see other P2, R3, Q1. This was wrong. P3, Q1, R4. This one is also wrong. So correct answer for this question, it is option B. So thanks for watching.